Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start on the Realme home screen. Long press a blank area to open the launcher controls. Once the grid and options appear, choose Home Settings or Preferences to enter launcher configuration. You need to be in the default launcher. If you use a third-party launcher, switch back to Realme's first. Make sure you're on battery enough to avoid interruptions and that system UI is responsive. Now proceed to find the Discover or Google Feed toggle inside the Home Settings menu. Once inside Home Settings, scroll to Pages, Home Screen Layout, or a specific Google Discover entry. The label varies by firmware. Tap the Discover or Google Feed entry, then toggle it off. This removes the leftmost feed. If you see an option under App Drawer Settings, uncheck Show Google App on Home. After toggling, press Home and swipe left to confirm the feed is gone. If it persists, force stop the launcher or reboot the device and recheck the setting to ensure changes apply. To finish, verify by returning to the home screen and swiping left. There should be no Google Discover. If the feed remains, reboot the phone first. That often completes the change. Next, go to Settings Apps Home/Launcher and clear cache or force stop. If Google App forces the feedback, consider disabling the Google app temporarily. Only reset launcher settings or update system software if nothing else works. Remember, clearing app data resets home layout, so backup widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.